Hello and welcome. This breathwork practice is alternate nostril breathing. It's Nadi, Shodhana in Sanskrit. It's a pranayama practice of some yoga philosophies. And it's basically inhaling and exhaling through the nose. I'll show you the technique in a moment. It can be done anytime before or after movement, or it can be done on its own. It's good in preparation for meditation. It helps bring balance to the nervous system and to both sides of the brain, the energies of lunar and solar, and it's really energizing and invigorating. And so it can clean the energy internally and externally. Good for the respiratory system and good for awareness and mental clarity. So this is a great all-around practice that helps bring balance to the mind and body and bring you more in touch with the present moment. So when you're ready, we're going to prepare, and you're going to take a moment to arrive into a comfortable seat somewhere, because you want to be sitting up and tall for this breathwork practice. So you can sit on the ground, maybe on a pillow or a block, or you can sit up in a chair. And you want to bring yourself to your body. So take a moment to bring the awareness into the feet and legs and into the hips, into the seat where you're sitting, and into the belly and back, and up the spine and chest, and then like up into the shoulders and arms, and notice the head and neck, and wiggle into a comfortable seat. And as you arrive into a comfortable seat, I want you to kind of direct your attention, maybe your eye gaze, into a specific spot in front of you. You may even want to have an object of focus in front of you. But if not, you can just find something to direct your attention to through your eyes, a focus point, a gaze point. And maybe you even want to take a deep breath and soften the eyelids and close the eyes and inhale deep through the nose. And then exhale, just softly sigh and release. Just breathing in and out of the nose a couple of times, allowing that breath to bring you into your body, inhaling deep and exhaling fully. And we'll take one more, just an arrival breath, bringing yourself to the present moment, inhaling deep through the nose, and then exhaling fully. Now soften and relax the jaw and the face. Alternate nostril breathing. We're going to be inhaling through the left nostril and exhaling through the right. And then inhaling through the right and exhaling through the left. We're going to use our hand to valve, or our fingers to valve the nostrils, so we can inhale through one and exhale through the other. Let's go ahead and do just a 4-count inhale, a 4-count exhale. So inhale left, exhale right, and then inhale right for 4 counts and exhale left for 4 counts. So it's just kind of like that coherent breath with the alternating nostrils. Okay, for the hand posture, for the mudra, you're going to take your index finger and your middle finger down, leaving the pinky and the ring finger and the thumb out. And then the thumb actually goes to the crease of the cartilage here on the right nostril, and then the ring finger on the left nostril. And you're right there in that arch, that valve area. So yes, you're going to want to make sure you, we should have backed this up a little bit, if your not nasal cavities are clear. So maybe you need to blow your nose or clear your nose out. Okay. And then, so we have the finger placement, and then you're going to bring your head neutral and chin parallel to the floor. The elbow comes in and down, so you keep the posture tall. All right. Using your belly and your back muscles to keep the spine lifted. You're going to rest your elbow down, and let's practice a couple rounds sitting tall, breathing in through the left nostril. So in through the left and exhale through the right. So you're going to valve the left nostril and then exhale through the right. So inhale through the right and then exhale. Stay still. I'm just turning to show you if you're looking. Exhale through the left. So I keep the fingers. I'm just switching the valve here. So inhale, come back center through the left nostril for 4 counts. Inhaling for 4. Exhale to the right, out of the right nostril for 4 counts. Inhale through the right for 4 counts. And exhale through the left for 4 counts. All right, let's pause for a moment and take a rest. So that's the technique. Alternate nostril breathing, breathing in and out of each side of the nostril, inhaling through the left, exhaling through the right, inhaling through the right, exhaling through the left. There are options in other variations of ratio, meaning like how long you breathe in, how long you hold it, how long you exhale, how long you suspend it. But we're not doing retention or suspension for Nadi Shodhana today. So we're just going to do the inhale for 4, exhale for 4, inhale for 4, exhale for 4. So you don't have to worry about the breath hold. So let's prepare to practice 10 rounds of alternate nostril breathing. So prepare yourself here, sitting tall, maybe big breath, inhale. Exhale fully, sigh, maybe even through the mouth. Relaxing into your seat, relaxing your face and jaw. You're going to prepare your mudra, your hand gesture. Take the thumb and the ring finger to the proper placement on the right nostril and the left. Elbow in, chin parallel to the floor. The spine stays long. We're going to inhale for 4 counts through the left nostril. Inhale for 4. Exhale through the right for 4. Inhale through the right for 4. Exhale through the left for 4. That's 1 round. Inhale, left nostril for 4. Exhale through the right nostril for 4. Inhale through the right nostril for 4. Exhale through the left nostril for 4. Inhale left for 4. Exhale right for 4. Inhale right for 4. Exhale left for 4. Inhale left for 4. Exhale right for 4. Inhale right for 4. Exhale left for 4. Inhale left for 4. Exhale right for 4. Inhale right for 4. Exhale left for 4. Continue on 5 more rounds. Inhaling left for 4. Exhale right for 4. Inhale right for 4. Exhale left for 4. Inhale left for 4. Stay calm. Don't force it. If you need to take an extra breath, go ahead. Exhale right for 4. Inhale right for 4. Exhale left for 4. 3 more rounds. Inhale left for 4. Exhale right for 4. Inhale right for 4. Exhale left for 4. Inhale left for 4. Exhale right for 4. Inhale right for 4. Exhale left for 4. One more round. Inhale left for 4. Exhale right for 4. Inhale right for 4. Exhale left for 4. Now release the hand down. Soften the gaze or keep the eyes closed. Sit tall in the spine and rest. Inhale deep. Exhale fully through the mouth if you want. A soft sigh. Again, inhale deep. Exhale fully. Soften the jaw. Soften the face. Notice any sensation around the face or arms. Notice what you feel or how you feel. Bringing full awareness into the observation. And then you'll open your eyes. Move your hands and feet, fingers and toes. Maybe take a big stretch. And exhale, soften hands into the heart. And give thanks for breath. Alternate nostril breathing. Good for bringing balance and mental clarity and focus, and stress relief and anxiety relief. It can be practiced anytime, and if 10 rounds is too long, shorten it and do 5. Just take a couple minutes to bring awareness to the breath and implement as much as of the pranayama, of the techniques as you can. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.